Hey guys, so we've been watching Mighty Car Mods for over a decade, and today we finally got Cheryl's big box. So let's go open it up and see what's inside. My gosh, that's so cute!
So I got the beanie. I think that was free. I didn't buy that. That was my free gift. Very cool. I will wear that when it... Heck, I could probably wear it today. It's freaking freezing. I ordered this shirt because I love it.
Yes, I should have got a driveway crew. What are we thinking?
You want the driveway crew?
We should have got matching ones.
We can get you one. We'll get you, see if they have a girl size.
Can you see that in Mighty Car Mods? Drive.
Freaking awesome. So you can open that one.
These ones I'm excited about.
Oh, they have something open.
Is this the chopped fingers?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Yes!
It's humongous. Let's see if we can. Perfect.
Oh, this is the scrolling text?
Yeah. So flip it this way.
Yeah. Oh, no, this way.
Yeah.
And then we'll start over here. We'll do the scrolling text.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
That was awesome.
Dude. Okay, this is exciting. We've heard about it, but we have never ordered one.
We've always wanted one, we just never did. Oh yes! That was the other shirt I was gonna order.
It's in the bin.
Freaking awesome!
Is that in the bin?
In the bin.
Yes.
Where's it at, Marty?
Oh my gosh.
It's in the bin.
That is amazing.
We got Cheryl's Speed Garage.
Okay.
Check that out. That's funny. It's made in 1969. Oh, that's hilarious.
Perfect. Oh,
Right there, yeah. Oh, yeah, gloves.
oh nice.
Open those. Maybe I have gloves. Open them. Oh, they're very grippy. Ooh, they're grippy to each other. There you go. You could change oil on those. That'd be great.
Yeah, you could.
Good grip. What's this?
I don't know. It's
I don't know either. What does it say?
MCM. It says
Acid and sugar. Oh, I think it's gum?
it has beeswax in it.
Designer candy. Oh, we're gonna have to try that. It says artificial flavors and it's black, so I'm scared that it's black licorice.
What if I smell it?
I will definitely know if I smell it. Got a koozie. Designer candy. Oh, dang. Now I need to start drinking beer.
No, no. You drink soda.
I don't drink soda.
That's better than beer.
I can put a water bottle in there.
Yeah, this is true.
Look at these chopped. Look at this. Look how nice. It's so pretty. It's like a great color. Perfect for the blue chimney.
Aww.
What's this? Oh, we got a mug. It's a coffee mug, I bet. They always come in these cups. Yes, I was right.
Oh, snap.
Kyle got some competition. Now I got 2 mugs. Oh, dude, this one's metal. Check that out.
That is cool. It's the one they like take camping.
That's a camping mug. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, there's so much more. What are these?
Okay, those are microfiber.
Microfiber cloths. I'm gonna leave those in the package until we use them. I'll put those.
I don't think we can use them.
Why?
Because they're too cool.
It's just decoration. Tea towels.
Oh my god.
Dude. That's
That is
sick.
so cool.
Dude, that is freaking awesome.
You're gonna have to hang it up like a tapestry.
Right? Heavy duty hand cleaner. I'll have to check that out. A couple of those. One for you, one for me.
Snap.
Oh, mommy got some unicorns.
That's from the unicorn
That's
circuit.
from the unicorn circuit, yeah. Chopped fingers? Gotta hang those. You know we gotta hang those. I wonder what they smell like. Marty.
Very.
Riding the goat. Bah. Oh, dude, this is not a. This is a mag. It's a magnet. It's a magnet. Look at this.
Oh, nice. Uh-oh.
Oh, got a patch. Ooh, we're gonna have to figure that out. That's very cool. Oh, is it a feeler gauge? So you can measure things. Let's see, what else is it? Protractor, bottle opener, wire cutter, opener puller. That's freaking very cool. That goes in the top drawer.
Okay.
I got a chop sticker. Oh, I should have got 2 chop stickers, one for each one. One for each chimney. I got a Mighty Car Mod sticker. Maybe I'll put Mighty Car Mods on one and the chopped on the other.
Yes.
I should have got a white one. There we go. Thank you for exploring my mysteries box of MCM goodness. Inside you'll find a treasure trove of MCM loot plus a special gift that I've included just for you from Cheryl.
Who's Cheryl?
Too funny. What? You know. I've been watching this the whole freaking time. Roses are red, violets are blue. My big mystery box was packed just for you. Cheryl's box. Hilarious. Got some earplugs. I wonder if they're really earplugs.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Right?
Oh, yep, they're regular. Oh man, they're chopped earplugs. Look at that. Little chopped earplugs. Very cool. I'll use those instead of those big headphones I always wear. Oh, what is this? It's a sticker. It's a sticky chopped chrome fingers.
Oh my god.
How badass is that?
Cool.
That's badass. Oh, there was something else. I lost something. Oh well. Sad face. Oh, it's got a. Oh, don't show them that. I have to cut that out.
Is it a secret?
It's a recipe.
Is it a secret recipe?
It's a secret. It's a secret recipe. We got a secret recipe. We won't hand that one out. We'll keep that one. Never know. Cheryl's box got destroyed in the mail, but everything is beautiful and perfect. Now I'm gonna try the candy.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.